today's tutorial, we're going to dive deep into 3-point turn, a critical maneuver every driver should master. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and ready to execute this turn with ease and pass the road test. Let's get started. So, preparing for the turn. So before we begin, preparation is key, as I always say. First, find a safe location with a clear visibility in both directions. It's important to avoid areas with heavy traffic or sharp curves. As you approach the curb, signal to the right, indicating your intention to pull over. Gradually slow down, checking your mirrors and blind spots as you do. Always remember to be mindful of pedestrians, cyclists, or any vehicles that might be in your blind spots. Come to a complete stop, about a foot away from the curb. The closer you are to the curb, the easier the maneuver will be. Make sure you're on a straight stretch of road, not too close to intersections or driveways, to make sure that you have enough space for the turn. Starting the turn. Now it's time to start the turn. Signal left to let other drivers know your intentions. Before moving, take a moment to quickly check your surroundings. Look in your rearview mirror, side mirrors, and over your shoulder to confirm the road is clear. Once you're sure it's safe, slowly turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. As you do, gently ease off the brake and begin moving forward. Keep your speed very low. Control is more important than speed here. Steer towards the opposite curb, maintaining awareness of your surroundings. If another vehicle appears, pause the maneuver and wait for them to pass. That you have reached the opposite curb, it's time to reverse. Come to a complete stop.
Real quick, I made the Driving TV Ultimate Guide, so you don't waste hours reading boring stuff that you don't even need. This is straight to the point, exactly what they'll test you on. You'll know what to expect on the test day, what maneuvers they want, the requirements, everything. I even packed in 100 real DMV questions and answers. If you want to pass on the first try, grab it now, links in the description.
And shift your car into reverse. Before moving, turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. And check your mirrors and blind spots again, especially over your right shoulder. As you slowly begin to back up, keep looking over your shoulder to maintain full awareness of what's behind you. This is crucial for making sure the safety of the maneuver. It's perfect. You need to make sure of all this, that you're safe. Gently reverse the car until you're close to the curb on the other side of the road. Be mindful of any obstacles like parked cars and stop as soon as you're nearly parallel with the curb. With the car close to the curb, it's time to complete the turn. Stop the car, shift back into drive, and turn your steering wheel all the way to the left once more. Before you proceed, double check that the road is clear. When you're sure it's safe, gradually move forward, steering towards your lane. As you straighten out, center the steering wheel and continue driving in your intended direction. Now, let's quickly recap these key steps. 1. Signal right and pull over to the curb. 2. Signal left, check for traffic, and turn left across the road. 3. Shift into reverse, turn the wheel right and back up to the opposite curb. And 4. Shift into drive. Turn left, drive forward into your lane. Now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First, do not rush the process. Speed can lead to losing control of the car. Second, always remember to check your blind spots. Failing to do so can result in dangerous situations and points taken off your road test score. Lastly, make sure that you're giving clear signals to other drivers throughout the maneuvers. Now, practice makes perfect, and I always say this and I can't stress this enough, especially with a maneuver like this one. Find a quiet residential area or an empty parking lot to practice. Start slow, focusing on the sequence of steps rather than the speed. As you become more comfortable, I will tell you, you will feel much better and this will become much easier. You will gradually increase your confidence in performing the turn and it will just be a breeze for you. Practice, 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 as I always say. Remember that the more you practice, the more natural this will become. Every successful 3-point turn will boost your driving confidence, preparing you for any tight spot on the road, because there's going to be a lot of circumstances or moments where you're going to be driving and either you're going to hit a street with a dead end or you just want to go back, and this is very crucial to be able to execute at any time without any problem. And again, it's going to be in your road test, which should be more than enough to wanting to learn this and master this skill, because you will be evaluated on this and you need to prove that you can do this successfully and that you are aware of your surroundings and that you know how to signal your intentions and that you are able to drive, basically. So keep that in mind, guys. That being said, that is how you perform a 3-point turn safely and effectively. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful in breaking down each step. You can find my other driving tutorials for 3-point in my channel. I have a few of them. This is an updated version that I wanted to do for you guys, since I know that you guys have emailed me and sent me comments basically asking me for this video. So here it is. Now, if you did found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with others, and subscribe to Driving TV for more tutorials like this that will help you get your driver's license. So practice regularly, stay safe on the road, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.